Archicad has introduced the Global Library. This technological shift makes the Archicad library independent of both specific language versions and Archicad software versions, giving you more objects and easier migration. Let's explore some of the benefits of the Global Library for the Archicad workflow. Starting with content expansion. With the Global Library, users benefit from access to an expanded range of items across all language versions in Archicad. This means that objects previously only available for specific markets can now be used by everyone and are available in your language version. The Global Library makes collaborating with stakeholders across the globe easier by standardizing library content across different language versions of Archicad. Let's compare the previous library format, the monolith library, with the new library format, the Global Library. An important thing to note is that the usage of the Global Library is optional. This way, when deciding how to update to the Global Library, you have the flexibility to choose between continuing working with the previous library format, the monolith library, or transitioning to the new Global Library. If you want to start using the Global Library straight away, all you need is Archicad 28 or a later version, the library packages that come with Archicad 28 by default, and a template that is compatible with the Global Library. If you choose to maintain continuity with the previous library, the monolith library, simply load the Archicad 27 library and keep the Archicad 27 template while using Archicad 28. We understand that recreating part of your template can be time-consuming at first, but once your template is Global Library compatible, it is also compatible with all the upcoming Archicad versions in the future. Remember to recreate your favorites and reset your tool defaults and model view option settings, since these were restructured with the technology change between the monolith and the Global Library. Our team will support the update of your template with step-by-step supporting materials and a favorite converter tool to assist you and ease your work. If you have an ongoing project, we recommend you complete the project with the monolith library and introduce the Global Library to the new projects. So let's open the Library Manager by navigating to File, Libraries and Objects, Library Manager. As you can see, something that differs from the monolith library is the fact that now the library parts are structured in separate library packages. The default packages remain unchanged from previous versions, so you will find the content structure the same way as it was before. You can customize this structure according to your preferences, so let's see how to do that. To add new packages, click the Add button, which will automatically open the Archicad folder on your computer. Within this folder, you'll find the Archicad library packages organized in a preset structure. Let's suppose you want to add them to your project with the original folder structure. For that, go ahead and select all the packages and click Open to load them to the project. If you prefer a customized organization for your library packages instead, you can pre-arrange these packages in a separate folder on your computer, structured in a way that suits your workflow. Once ready, you can load this customized folder structure into Archicad. This structure will also be mirrored in the Tab View drop-down menu, simplifying the process of locating your content. The separate folders not only appear in the Library Manager, but also in the Object Settings dialog. By going to Options and selecting the new folder view with Sources view, you can see the previously loaded objects in your personalized structure. Model view options in Archicad have also seen some updates to enhance user experience and simplify the interface. You can see a new visibility control panel to help manage the complexity of the Model View Options interface and prevent it from becoming overcrowded. In the 2D detail level settings, users now benefit from a more extensive range of detail levels. Additionally, some features previously bundled under the general detail level now have dedicated controls, allowing users to manage elements like open or close leaves, hazing, seal or board, center symbols, and glazing lines more precisely.